Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are well and getting lots of decoration ideas from my channel. Friends, welcome to my channel Home Decor 974. Like every time, this time I have brought you new decoration ideas. Today in this video, our title is about Iceland kitchen design ideas, kitchen inspiration ideas, modular kitchen design ideas. Friends, I have all the new and latest videos of home decoration on my channel Home Decor 974. If you are new to our channel and you want to get all the new and latest videos of home decoration, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share this video, comment in comment box. That's all friends, now I'm going. Take care. Goodbye. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe channel. Hello friends, how are you?